Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change page from portrait to landscape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, open your Google Docs. Then you have to open your Google Docs file. Then go to the format menu. Then click page orientation. Now select whole document. Then click landscape. Then press OK. Here you can see I am changed portrait to landscape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.